Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Smart Vital Junior. It's a smartwatch from the brand Goki. So let's get started. This is a smartwatch. You can see the product image here. It is from the brand Goki and it has some really cool features like you can monitor your SpO2, your oxygen levels. That's so much required nowadays. Plus you can measure your body temperature by this smartwatch and you can do 24/7 heart rate monitoring with this watch. Now some other features like SpO2, I already told you get all the notification for your calls, for your messages, your emails, everything. And then some other features are like you can do multiple wallpaper, you can choose from multiple wallpapers. Then there is Find My Phone. So if you're somebody like me who keeps the phone somewhere and then forgets it, then Find My Phone lets you find your phone wherever you have kept it. There is a stopwatch, timer, raise to wake, and plus there is weather info, alarms, inactivity alerts, and then it is again waterproof. There is a 2-pin magnetic charger and the battery life that it offers is up to 7 days, and there is a 1.3 inches color display with full touch screen. Now let's open this and let's see how this Smart Vital Junior looks like. So this is the watch. And if you're thinking where are the straps, then you just don't get one strap with this watch, you get multiple straps. You get this user manual and there is this Goki thank you card. Then there is this app. You have to download the app and then you have to mention this code, activation code, and there are various other things that you can use on the app. And let me open this. So this is the charger. This is a magnetic charger. At the back of this watch again you can see this magnetic pin and you just have to connect these both to charge this, and then you can put this into your adapter, into your laptop, however you want to charge this. Now if you're thinking about the straps, then I already told you 1, 2 and 3. So you get 3 straps which you can connect with this watch and then you can wear it. In fact 3 straps is a good thing that sometimes something happens, then of course you can change it, you don't have to buy it. Now this is the watch. After you on this, there are many things that you can do. You get a good screen size here. As you can see, you can adjust, you can do various settings on this. You can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the, you can set alarm in this. Now features that it offers, let me take you through the user manual and just let you know. You can navigate between the screens and then you can do the distance, the calories detail, your heart rate, you can do the monitoring, your temperature, you can you can get to know your temperature through this watch, your SpO2, and everything is mentioned, how you can check your SpO2, how you can check your heart rate. You can adjust the brightness level, you can adjust the screen time, stopwatch, alarm, music control, phone finder, everything is there. And in case anything happens, there are some questions that are mentioned that if your watch is not working and all, you can how you can use it. This is the screen size. You get 1.3 inches color display with full touch screen. Then you can count your steps, your distance, your calories burned. Again I told you about your body temperature, and then all the notifications and all, phone notification, message notification you will get on this watch. There are some sensors at the back of the watch, and when you wear this watch, these sensors actually let you know your heart rate, your SpO2 levels and your body temperature. And this is how you can navigate. So smooth user interface is there, and it's quite, the refresh rate is also quite nice. So this was it about this Smart Vital smartwatch from the brand Goki. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.